Want to know how to record in Audacity? Maybe it could be your voice or anything else. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do so the easiest way. So let's get right into it. So first up, open up Audacity, and here go to Edit and then select Preferences. You can either press Ctrl+P as well. Now once the Preferences dialog is opened, under Recording, make sure your microphone is selected. Once that's done, click OK. Now comes to recording. To record your vocals, just simply press this red button located right here. It's as simple as that. Just left click on it. And here you can see Audacity has started recording your audio, and the waveform is increasing every second as well. So to stop it, press spacebar. And it's as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. We'll see you in the next one.